आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 19th August 2020. Here is a COVID news. 6,76,574 and recovered cases are 2,20,37,870. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged every citizen to necessary precaution in the monsoon season due to the prevailing the COVID pandemic. The RBI released the framework on the pan-India entity for the retail payment. India negotiating the air bubble agreements with the 13 more countries. Gujarat government allowed to more than 70-story skyscrapers in 5 big cities. New electronics manufacturing policy announced in the Uttar Pradesh. Mali President Ibrahim Boubacar Keita resigned amid the military corps. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has urged the citizens to take the precaution during the ongoing monsoon season due to the prevailing the COVID-19 pandemic. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said, "This is the time to when the tropical and the vector-borne diseases spread and precaution need to be taken." Prime Minister said the government is also closely monitoring situation and ensuring care to those affected. Meanwhile, Health and the Family Welfare Minister Harshvardhan held the review meeting with the Delhi government official and the city's municipal corporation over the preparedness to check the vector-borne diseases in the national capital. He said it is important to take the measures to control these diseases like dengue, chikungunya and malaria. India is continuous stepping up its COVID testing capacity. In the last 24 hours, the country moved closer to the testing 1 million samples in a day. With the record testing of the nearly 9 lakh samples in a day, the nation achieves another milestone. Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan addressing a media briefing in New Delhi informed that the remarkable feat has been achieved by the rigorously following the test, track and treat strategy. COVID-19 testing in the country can be soon available on the demand the basis of any person. The government has said it will be the review guideline for the testing to see the on-demand testing can be rolled out under the current circumstances. The country registered the highest number of recovery from the COVID-19 in a single day. The nearly 58,000 people in the country got the cure and the return to their homes in the last 24 hours. With this, the cumulative recoveries from the COVID-19 in the country has reached close to the 20 lakh mark. So far, the total 19,77,779 people have recovered in the country, and with this, the nationwide recovery rate has further improved the 73.18%. In Delhi, the total 1,374 new confirmed cases of the coronavirus were reported during the last 24 hours, taking for the total number of the cases to the 1,54,741. In the Delhi government has the confirmed and the over the 1,39,000 people affected with the coronavirus has been the cure so far. In Bihar, COVID-19 recovery rate has improved over the 73% following the recovery at a 4,034 patients during the past 24 hours. Odisha government has decided to set up the more plasma therapy unit for the COVID-19 patient, taking the total number of such unit in the state to the 6. And this was the reveal in the review the meeting held the Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, the capital of the Bhubaneswar yesterday. In Karnataka, total 2,40,948 COVID patients were cured and and discharged from the various hospitals. Till now, the 8,387 patients were discharged from the hospital during the last 24 hours. In Madhya Pradesh, the unique campaign Ek Sankalp बुजुर्गों के नाम means the commitment for the elders in being the run by the Chhatarpur police in the midst the corona infection in the state. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said the Indian negotiating the 13 countries including Australia, Japan, Russia country include Thailand, Singapore, Korea to establish the separate bilateral air bubbles arrangement for the international flight operation. Under the bilateral air the bubble pact for the airlines in the both countries can operate the international flight with the certain restriction. Mr. Puri said the air bubbles have been also the proposed for the neighboring country. Reserve Bank of India unveiled for the framework from the setting up the Pan-India umbrella entity, the retail payment as per the framework company with the net worth of the 5,500 crore rupees will be the eligible to the set up the umbrella entity, which is among other things will be permitted to the setup. The Naval Commanders Conference 2020 will be being today. The New Delhi Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will address the 3 days event to the opening day. The Chief of the Naval Staff of Commanders in the Chief will be review the major operation material, the logistics, the HR training, administrative activities undertake during the year and deliberate upon the course of the street in the future. National Cabinet Crop NCC will be expand its activity in Gujarat follow the approval received by the Union Home Minister. According to the source, and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has approved a proposal of a National Cabinet crops for the major expansion scheme to meet the aspiration of the youth and all border the coastal district of the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also announced this during his Independence Day addressing. In a bid to support the Prime Minister Narendra Modi vision for the achieving zero import of the electronic goods, Uttar Pradesh government has announced its electronic manufacturing policy 2020. The policies aim for the inviting the investment of the 40,000 crore rupees in the next 5 years and generate the 4 lakh direct employment. Immediately after the assuming office in the 2017, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath had announced the electronic manufacturing policy 2017 for the Noida, Great Noida and the Yamuna Expressway. For reason it had achieved the give the target of the investment and employment generation for the 3rd year itself, and all the 3 regions are now one of the emerging the mobile manufacturing hubs in the world. More than 60% of all mobile phones manufacturing in India are from UP, and the new electronic manufacturing policy 2020 has extended to the entire state now. In our series on the Atmanirbhar Bharat, today we bring you the special story for the rail bicycle. Indian Railways has introduced and the innovation system to ensure the passenger security in the country. Recently, the National Transporter introduced a novel mechanism, rail bicycle, to the quick travel on the rail tracks for the inspiration and monitoring and the urgent repairs. The railway ministry said that during the monsoon season, sometimes situation become very difficult, causing the unwanted detention of the train service. With the help of the rail bicycle, by any emergency location can be easily reached for urgent repairs. As a part of emergency situation, rail bicycle is also very helpful for the hot weather and the patrolling for as well as the daily monitoring of the rail track. Due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, sometimes the section over the Indian Railways network are currently closed to the traffic. In these sections, you were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 19th August 2020. We will take the same bulletin on the 20th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए, या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं, ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है, लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं, इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं, आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे, वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।